Hello everyone, I'm Narmada from India, and this is my CS50 final project about the banking system. And now we will get into the code. And in the project folder, I have created the project file. And the first function is about creating the account. Like while I enter the banking system, we are creating an account. So the new account holder would enter the account number, their name, and the initial deposit amount. Also, I have written a function for deposit, withdraw, also to check the balance, and also I have written a simple code for checking the interest amount for the investment. And the final option is to exist, and I have given all the options here. Now we will dive into the demonstration. So, so we're entering into the banking system. First, I'm creating an account. I'm giving the account number and I'm entering the name, the account holder's name, and it's asking for the initial deposit amount, and I'm depositing the initial amount, and the account has been created successfully. Now I'm going to deposit my account, and it's asking for the account number. Now I would give the account number, different account number, and it's prompting like account not found. And again, I'm trying the to deposit with the correct account number, and it's asking for the deposit amount, and I'm again depositing $1,000. You can see the deposit was successful and the new balance is also available. Now I'm trying to withdraw, and it's again asking for the account number. I'm entering it and it's asking for the withdraw amount. I'm going to enter the withdraw amount, something which is not available, the higher amount, and we are getting the error message like the balance is insufficient. And I'm going to again withdraw with the available balance, and you can see that the withdrawal was successful and new balance is also prompting it. Now I'm going to check some maturity details in my savings scheme. I have given the interest rate constantly, and it's asking for the account number. I have given it here, and also it's asking for the investment amount, and I'm entering the amount I'm willing to invest, and it's asking for the tenure. I have given the tenure, and so if I like invest certain amount of $50,000 for the 5 years, my final returns in my banking system would be $65,000. And final thing is like I'm existing from the program, and it's like thank you for the banking. That's all. My project is about the banking system. Thank you.